Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can change your phone number on your Gmail account. Now do bear in mind that by changing your phone number on Gmail, this will also change the phone number on your Google account, as the two things are essentially the same. So we're just going to head over to our mobile and launch up your internet browser. For this demonstration I'll be using Safari. Then you need to head over to google.com and just make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're logged into your account, press the profile icon in the top right hand side, select manage your account, and in this top navigation we need to select personal info. Then simply scroll down till you come to the phone number section and select this, and here you can see the phone number that is currently linked to the account, so I'm just going to go ahead and select that. From here we need to press this pencil or pen icon to come in to edit this. Then at the bottom down here you need to select update number, and then go ahead and enter the new number that you want to use for your Gmail account. Once you're finished, just go ahead and press next, and as it says on this screen, to ensure the number does belong to you, it will send you a verification code, so just go ahead and press get code at the bottom. Then all you'll need to do is enter the verification code and click verify, and congratulations, as you have now successfully changed your phone number. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.